Hi friends, welcome to English Lighthouse. Today, we are going to learn something super important, irregular verbs in English. Be, was, were, been. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feel, felt, felt. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Get, got, gotten, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hold, held, held. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Leave, left, left. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Run, ran, run. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Sing, sang, sung. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Stand, stood, stood. Swim, swam, swum. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Write, wrote, written. Great job learning today. Don't forget to practice these verbs. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.